Welcome to the journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Today we are delving into the incredible power of inspirational books and motivational videos and how they can shape our mindset and transform our lives. Reading inspirational books and watching motivational videos are nourishment for the mind and soul. They serve as a guiding light, inspiring us to reach new heights, overcome challenges, and embrace a positive perspective on life. Books are portals to wisdom, unlocking the knowledge and experience of remarkable individuals. They offer insights, solutions, and the encouragement needed to conquer obstacles. Motivational videos, on the other hand, provide an immersive experience, often amplifying our emotional connection to the message. By immersing ourselves in these resources, we're exposed to different perspectives, innovative ideas, and the incredible stories of individuals who have faced adversity and emerged stronger. These narratives, these lessons, they instill hope, resilience, and a belief in our own potential. Remember, the mind is a garden, but what we plant within it flourishes. Reading and watching motivational content is akin to planting the seeds of positivity, perseverance, and personal growth. They nurture a mindset that seeks solutions, embraces challenges, and remains resilient in the face of adversity. Let's explore practical ways to make the most of inspirational books and motivational videos in your daily life, helping you create a positive mindset. Number 1. Daily routine integration. Start your day with a few minutes of reading or watching a motivational video. Set a positive tone for the day and let the inspiration guide your thoughts and actions. Making it a part of your daily routine helps reinforce a positive mindset. Whether it's 15 minutes in the morning or an hour before bed, consistency is key. Number 2. Mindful consumption. Pay attention to what you consume. Choose content that resonates with your goals and values. Pick books and videos that align with your personal growth journey. Don't hesitate to explore different genres and speakers. Sometimes unexpected sources can provide the most impactful messages. Look for genres that inspire and motivate you, be it self-help, biographies, personal development, or spirituality. Be selective to ensure you're getting the most relevant and impactful content. Number 3. Take notes and reflect. Take time to reflect on what you've learned or been inspired by. Keep a journal or notebook handy while reading or watching. Jot down key takeaways, insights, and any personal reflections. This practice helps reinforce the lessons learned. Writing down your thoughts and reflections solidifies your learning and encourages self-awareness. It helps in memory retention and allows you to revisit and reflect on those moments. Number 4. Set goals and action steps. After consuming motivational content, think about how can you apply these teachings in your own life. Set specific, achievable goals and action steps based on what you've learned. This proactive approach transforms inspiration into tangible progress. Empower yourself to take action. Goals give purpose to your newfound inspiration. Number 5. Join a community. Consider joining a book club or an online community that shares your interests. Engaging with others who are also on a journey of personal development can provide support and accountability. Engaging in discussions with others gives you an opportunity to exchange ideas and insight. Community connection can boost your motivation and provide a network of like-minded individuals. Number 6. Revisit and reinforce. Periodically revisit your favorite books and videos. Repetition reinforces the positive messages from the initial motivation and allows you to uncover new insights as you grow. Returning to these resources is a powerful way to stay on track and continue your personal growth. Ultimately, the goal is not just consumption, but implementation. Apply the lessons learned in your daily life to experience the true benefits of a positive mindset. It's not just about consuming content, it's about applying it to create lasting change. Remember, the transformation begins within you. Let these tools be your catalyst for greatness. So, as the positive mindset coach, take the time to invest in yourself. Embrace the joy of learning, the thrill of growth, and the power of a positive mindset. Let these books and videos be your companions on the journey to a better, more fulfilled you. Transform your life through the power of inspiration and embrace the power of positivity. Your journey to a positive mindset starts now. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment so that we can grow this channel together. Sending you positive and healing thoughts, love, and light to you all.